Hello friends, welcome to ଅକ୍ଷୟ ସାର୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍। ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଆର୍ଆଇ ଅମିନ ପୂର୍ବବର୍ଷ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ପେପର ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। ଏଥିରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ହେଉଛି ବାୟୁମଣ୍ଡଳ ଆର୍ଦ୍ରତା କେଉଁ ଯନ୍ତ୍ର ଦ୍ୱାରା ମପାଯାଏ? Right answer option D. Second question, what type of rock is coal? Option number C, sedimentary rock. Third question, the instrument used for recording earthquake waves. Right answer option D. Next question, which one of the following pair of seas oceans does the Suez Canal connected? Option number C is right answer. ପିଲାମାନେ 5 number question, how many numbers of states share their border with Odisha? ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇଟା এই କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନଟା ଇଜି କିନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାମାନେ ବହୁତ ଭୁଲ କରନ୍ତି। ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି 4ଟା। କେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ରହିଲେ? ଏପି, ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ, ଛତିଶଗଡ଼, ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଲା ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟବେଙ୍ଗଲ। Option number C 6, which type of climate does Odisha enjoy? Option number A, tropical. Question number 7, the river Budabalanga has been originated from? Option number D, Simripal Hill. 8 number question, clotting of blood vessel is called? Option number A, thrombosis. Question number 9, Sindhu Netra satellite has been successfully launched recently using with PSLV. Option number A is right answer. Next, which type of mosquito when infected with the virus is the main cause for spreading dengue fever? Option number B, ପିଲା ମ୍ୟାଲେରିଆ ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ ମଶା କମେଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଜଣାଇବେ। How many bones are there in an adult human body? Option number C, ପିଲାମାନେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାର ହାଡ଼ ସଂଖ୍ୟା କେତେ? 300। Light year is a unit of measure of which of the following vitamins is considered helpful to kids? C. Vitamin C, Keruga, Scorpi. Vitamin B, berry. Vitamin D, ricketts. Question number 14. Which of the following is not the ancient name of Odisha? Easy question ଟା ପିଲାମାନେ option number D. The first satellite was launched by which country? Option number B. Question number 17. Bleaching powder is made from option number D. Right answer. 18. Among the various allotropes of carbon, which of the following is correct? Right answer D. হীরা কঠিনতম, গ্রাফাইট নরমতম। Question number 19. The Sun Temple at Konark is known as number B. Black Pagoda. White Pagoda કાવું છે? White Pagoda is Puri Temple, Jagannath Temple. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? बहुत easy question. Option number C.